In today's video, I want to guide you step by step how people earn more than $1,000 daily with YouTube channel. You can without the need to show your face in the camera, and without the need to use your voice, and without the need to produce content, make continual income online with a fully automatic YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Moving on to step number 1. For this process, what you need to do is first go to ClickBank. If you don't already have an account, what you want to do is click on start here. Then you'll see this page pop up, but what you have to do is select this option and then select your country, and it will be able to enter your first and last name, phone number and email address and password, and then make sure you agree to the terms and conditions. You read and then simply click on join, and after completing all the steps, your account has been accepted and you can enter your dashboard. This is the page you are going to see, and once you are on this page, all you have to do is click on the top offers, then the gravity scores from top to bottom. And for those of you using ClickBank, if you're new, what your gravity score basically tells you is offers are what affiliate marketers are successful at. So by promoting the ones that have the highest attraction score, you will increase your chances of being able to start earning commissions. But once you've decided on each offer you want, start promoting is to find someone who is currently using YouTube ads to monetize these offers so you can replace. But how do they do it? As you can see in this video on YouTube, they made this video without showing their faces and advertise this product completely automatically. Income access. They cannot even use their own voice. It even uses an AI voice to navigate and read the text on the screen, which means it will be easier for you when it comes to repeating this ad and creating something similar for yourself. Now, what you need to do is to create a video what we are going to use for YouTube ads. The way you can make videos of ClickBank products for YouTube automatically is to register on this website, which is called in video here. You can register for free. Of course, if you want to use services without watermarks and make more professional videos, you must register for the special services of this site and pay an amount. And after logging into this page, similar to what you will see now when creating video, what you have to do is to click here on the text to video option, and then you will be given the option to choose one of these different formats. And because the product that we are looking at in ClickBank, it is related to weight loss. As you can see, it says Tohad's diet suggestion is the patterns we are going to choose. So you have to make sure you select the perspective and then click. Here you can enter the video clip you want to create in this section based on the words and text you use. The script in the video can match it within suitable stock images and stock video, so you can write the script yourself. Or what you can do is, okay, go to ChatGPT, and I'm sure many of you already know what ChatGPT is by now, but for those of you who don't, it's completely free tool where you can have conversation and almost anything you can ask him about it. But most importantly, you can ask him about it. For example, right here you can write an instructive script for a 2-minute YouTube video for an affiliate offer promoting a weight loss product, but focusing on weight loss campaign and the benefits of trying a new diet hack, and then click enter, and there, as you can see, the script is ready. You can network setting you might want to do, or in this case, just so we can speed up the video, I can just make it forever copy, then I can go here, come here, paste, click, create, sends, procedures, and in a few minutes we are now faced with the first draft of this video ad. I can make any adjustments that are necessary for each of these different scenes right here. So let's say, for example, if I didn't want to use this sense, all we have to do is go down here to where it says video and then type in the keyword for the sense. Out of all these different options that we want to choose. If you don't want to do the voice recording, click on this option and do the voice recording. You can do the voice recording automatically. It will do this automatically. You can choose any language you want here. You can choose any sound you want. As I said before, you can upload your voice or any other voice here. And finally, we can complete the video and upload it to YouTube. In the last step, put your affiliate marketing link on the description. But I suggest that in order to get more clicks on your affiliate marketing link, put affiliate marketing links in the commenting and pin it. If you are interested in this video, like it, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe and press the bell button to get notified of our new tutorials.